Happiest birthday, Claudia. We pray your life will be filled with love, happiness, and adventure, and that you will always continue to explore the world with your bright and curious eyes. May you always be brave, kind, and wonderful. We will always be here to guide you, support you, and love you unconditionally. Happy birthday, darling.
Short birthday. Hasta.
Suami ya, kalau kan suami.